Hello, ladies and gentlemen of the jury. Last week was crazy for me. On top of working up my personal injury and mass tort cases, I had a bench trial on a debt collection defense case that I was covering for a colleague of mine. Today is Tuesday, December 17th. Tomorrow I have a bench trial. Normally I participate in jury trials, but tomorrow we have maybe a 1 hour long trial about a first party debt collection suit. We represent the defendant in this case. The day before trial, I went to the practice courtroom where we film a lot of our videos and practice my arguments. Essentially, the goal of debt collection defense is to prevent a creditor from collecting their alleged debt by attacking the sufficiency of their documents. All too often, corporations and shady creditors do not keep the proper documents needed to prove that they rightfully are owed a debt, and this can result in consumers being taken advantage of. However, the biggest problem with debt defense cases is that the vast majority of them are filed in Justice of the Peace Courts. The purpose of Justice of the Peace Courts were to create a people's court that did not follow the rules of evidence, so ordinary people could settle small disputes without having to pay for a lawyer. However, in reality, I believe over 90% of cases filed in JP Court are by sophisticated creditors. It's about 8 a.m. on Wednesday. We're going to the courthouse. Trial starts at 9. I'd be lying to you if I said I wasn't nervous. It seems like I'm always nervous before I go to court, but I guess that's a good thing. We practiced a lot yesterday, and I practiced again early this morning, so we're ready to go. So the way we win today is that we exclude all of their evidence. The corporation we're going against is trying to introduce a whole bunch of evidence that is not admissible under the Texas rules of evidence. However, the tricky thing is this court technically doesn't have to follow the rules of evidence. So it's an uphill battle, but we're just gonna go in there and fight for every single piece of evidence they're gonna try to admit. So we just got back from trial. Unfortunately, we lost. I feel like I made some good arguments today. I executed on what I practiced, but sometimes it's the way it goes. The only thing I can do is get better as a lawyer and keep helping my clients for future cases. But while I was at the courthouse, I actually got a call from another lawyer who's asking me to jump on the Union Pacific contamination case, which I actually made a video about before. So now I am talking with some media sources and some potential clients who have contacted us, and we're evaluating everything that's going on. On Saturday, we hosted a town hall style meeting for the residents of 5th Ward and Kashmere Gardens who were affected by the cancer cluster believed to be caused by Union Pacific's creosote contamination. The meeting was held at a local church. We got to meet some wonderful members of the community and hopefully gave them more clarity on their legal rights moving forward. It's Saturday morning. We're about to start our town hall meeting. I'm hoping to meet some residents of the 5th Ward today and talk with them about the problems they've been facing and point them in the right direction and answer any questions they may have. It was truly an honor to be asked by Erica Childs, who is a fantastic attorney, to come help her educate fellow Houstonians. Moving forward, I will try to provide updates on the litigation, so make sure you subscribe to this channel if you're interested. I am really trying to show everyone what life of a trial lawyer is like, so if you have any suggestions on content that you want to see, please let me know in the comments below. I hope everyone has a great holiday season. I rest my case.